Hi, Manatee. It's week 2. This week, I want to talk to you about internet safety. And notice that the virtual classroom has changed a little bit. For my third, fourth, fifth, and sixth graders, I want you to be focusing on the right side of our classroom. And on your bookshelf, we've got our lesson about internet safety. This one's going to, if you click on this icon here, you're going to find from commonsense.org has 5 tips, internet safety tips. And if you go to the globe, there's going to be a little quick lesson, 10 things that will help remind you to use good choices when you're on the internet from Mrs. Kublank. Of course, we have the reveal list for the new Sunshine State book. Just a little quick list and look at those books. For those of you who are anxious to check out books, notice that you have to, we're only coming to the library on your scheduled day. So here are ways that you can check out books. Here's Sora, where you can go and check out a book online virtually, okay? And Books on Hold, this icon is going to show you how to check out a book from our library. Little quick tutorial if you go through that video. Ms. Stewart and I are working really hard to accommodate a lot of needs that from our e-learners and from our brick and mortar kiddos here at Manatee. So be patient. We'll try to get your books to you that you would like to check out. And as always, we're here and happy to help you in any way. And also, sixth graders, your trailer, your list, your books are on the middle shelf. So that's it for this week, guys. Have a great time learning in our virtual media classroom.